Hello and welcome to my channel April Flower Arts. I'm Tushara. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my recipe for oatmeal banana bread without eggs. That is, it is vegan, gluten-free and a healthier alternative to your regular banana bread. Nonetheless, it is very delicious and easy to make as well. So let's see how to make it.
We'll make the egg replacement. Here I have in a bowl half a cup of plain water. Into it, we'll add 3 tablespoons of powdered flaxseed in place of 2 eggs. Mix it in really well and we'll rest it for about 10 minutes so that it becomes slimy and resembles beaten eggs. Next, we'll prepare the dry ingredients. Here I'm using 2 cups of plain rolled oats. You may use instant or steel cut oats as well. I have slightly toasted the oats in the toaster oven at 400 degree Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. You may also do it on stove top at medium heat for 5 minutes. It will give a great nutty flavor and a nice texture as well. We'll transfer it into a blending jar. Into it, we'll also add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, which is optional. We'll blend these until well combined. It will be a little coarse, but it will add a nice texture to the cake. In the next step, we'll prepare the wet ingredients. In a mixing bowl, I have taken 3 very ripe bananas. The riper, the better. We'll mash them real good. Into it, I'm gonna add half a cup of pure coconut oil. You may use any other cooking oil like sunflower or canola oil in place of it. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. As a sweetener, I'm gonna use 3/4 cup of stevia. You may use any other source of sweetener like regular or brown sugar, honey or pasted dates, etc. You will need anywhere between 3/4 to 1¼ cups of your preferred choice of sweetener. We'll whisk all of the ingredients real good. Next, we'll mix in the flaxseed slurry as well. Next, I'm gonna add a few optional ingredients. You may add all or any of them as per your convenience, such as 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter or any other nut butter, a 1/4 cup of chopped almonds or any other nuts such as cashews or walnuts, and a 1/4 cup of raisins, 1/4 cup of dry coconut flakes, and give it a good mix. Next, we'll combine the dry and wet ingredients. We'll add 1/3 of the dry ingredients at a time into the wet and fold it in gently. Do not overmix the batter. For the eggless recipe, it is better that the batter is on the thicker side. And finally, you may give it a taste test and add more sugar or sweetener if you want to. Next, we'll prepare the baking pan. Here I'm using a regular loaf pan, but you may use an 8-inch square pan or even a round pan. We'll coat it with a layer of oil and dust it with some flour to make it non-stick, or just line it with baking sheet. Transfer the batter into the pan, smoothen the surface and tap it on the surface to remove any air bubbles. Next, I'm gonna top it with some oats, chia seeds, coconut flakes and raisins to make it look pretty. You can use your imagination here. So it already looks so pretty. We'll bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degree Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 60 minutes. It may take less or more depending on the oven. And if you're using a square or round pan, it may take lesser time, maybe around 45 minutes. So the banana bread has come out really soft and moist with great texture and flavors.
So that was my recipe for eggless oatmeal banana bread. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you try it, please let me know your feedback in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the notification bell to keep watching my future videos. Until next time, it's bye from me. Thanks for watching.